size or a small size, because high of plant between 3 and 5 meters. Then we remove the green cover. Green cover is a useless part. Important part in making a paper wire part we cut into thin slices. This is weak because we have on it some water and sugar. To remove water, we use this rolling pin to make slices flat, flexible.
Wow.
Then we put the slices again in water. But we put it for how many days? 6 days. If we need white colors. If we need it brown like this, we leave it for 12 days. So longer in the water, darker we get. After this period of time in the water, we arranged the slices in 2 crosses, vertical and horizontal. Under press, we put the slices for 6 more days.
6 more days?
Yes. So 6 days in water, 6 days under press, 1 more day under the sun to dry. We will get a sheet of paper like this. This paper is the first paper, yes, in man history that pharaohs used it to spread their civilization all over the world.
That's amazing, right?
In Egypt, this paper, we call it a heart or a gold of Egypt, because the only place all over the world you can get papyrus, only Egypt. Like a gold.